Mon Dieu! Lots of visitors today. Look at this line.
They're all here for the Mona Lisa. She's always been this popular. Look at them, especially those people. How do they expect to get pictures from all the way back there? Ooh, what is that?
Wait, is that the new Galaxy S24 Ultra?
What does it do?
It's Samsung's smartest AI-powered camera ever, designed to enhance the way people use Zoom in their day-to-day. With the new 5x optical zoom lens with 50 megapixel sensor, they closed the gap between the 3x and 10x zoom lenses and found the optimal hardware combination for high-quality photos and videos. This fresh new lens even delivers top-notch optical quality and 10x zoom.
Ooh, so sharp.
Looks like that's not all.
Oh, what's happening over there?
When you pinch to zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it automatically switches between the lenses, so you get incredible quality at every zoom level. And with Samsung's new AI solution, details come to life. Marvelous, right?
Absolutely. Get a shot of us too. I've always wanted to be a model.
That is impressive. How does it work?
The Galaxy S24 Ultra captures 50 megapixel images with the new 5x optical zoom lens, then crops the center of the screen to create an impeccable 12 megapixel image with no loss in image quality. Thanks to the new improved NPU, the AI is faster and more accurate. This means it can perform multi-frame processing and super resolution simultaneously from the get-go. So cropped 12 megapixel images still have top-notch quality. Galaxy S24 Ultra optimizes separate frames into a single exceptional image.
Wow! Bravo!
Hold for your applause. There's more. AI quickly analyzes images from both cameras even before you press the shutter. And based on the recognition of different types of subjects, it fine-tunes details in each area. The AI touches up the skin, sharpens details like grass and trees, and even amplifies subtleties in clothing and hair to give you optimal results with maximum detail. Galaxy S24 Ultra's powerful AI technology is sure to once again wow people with its unparalleled picture quality.
Impressive! Samsung Galaxy's smartest AI-powered camera. So epic!